window alloy, UPVC CNC cutting and machining center, fast working and high precision. Frame sash mullion, all kinds of holes milling, laser marking line, and cutting. Milling and laser marking and cutting. Air transfer data, zero mistake. Used for aluminum plus or minus 45 and 90 degree and any degree cutting. For size CNC milling. Auto profile loading, auto cutting, auto milling, auto discharging, auto labeling. Online intelligent transfer processing data. Super performance, super speed. Milling unit can be moved along profile with high efficiency. For axis linkage, can milling for sides of profile. The left spindle is movable for invisible water slot hole. Cutting unit controlled by CNC, which can make any degree cutting. After cutting, there's fifth spindle, can milling sash end hole, corner hole, injection angle holes. CNC intelligent processing, accurate and fast working. The Windows operation interface can be connected to the Windows or ERP software to realize intelligent processing by QR code scanning. Multi-channel control, which can realize the milling and cutting at the same time without interfering with each other. High efficiency. Saw blade can be displaced to avoid touch profile again. Equipped with an automatic chip removal system, centralized storage of waste materials, keep the processing environment clean and tidy. Rotated spindle to mill in the invisible water slot. Laser marking. Safety corner cutting. The automatic discharging system automatically places the finished products in order, and there has an automatic labeling device. Each profile is given a unique QR code information. Profile section, injection angle hole, log stripped and cut, corner hole, water slot hole, handle hole, lockbox slot, safety corner, laser marking.